Ramonsa, Bandit Fulani, Nibaleba but today, in December 2025, need their ID card. Nayaba, the Fulani.
But yeah, now we enter Isseke like this, we'll go flush those bandits, those small bandits, terrorists with the area.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Welcome to Magnetic Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Biafrans, wherever you're watching us from. Today being 21st of December 2025, we, the team of Magnetic Gist TV, is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, you can see that the Biafran Resistance Force, or you can call them Biafran Liberation Army, they have captured some of the Fulani herdsmen that came into Igbo land to come and do gra-gra, just like as they were stopped in Port Harcourt, River State, when they entered River State to go and do gra-gra, as Abuja and his men intercept them and dealt with them. The same thing happened here, as these Biafra Liberation Army guys captured all these Fulani bandits that enter Igbo land to come and do gra-gra. Nke bezoku bana ya megosi video of meba, because na imagon nan onwe ka osi wede etitori nda ha etitori yo, that is here. If I have me fabric fire bigosi beba anu ayotago. So I batara I jo kushi some ebe I kushi. So I will jidofa we go suko the ID card. Inekwa na national ID card anata one of the guys there. If no Fulani herdsmen, because some people wanna say most of all these northerners are saying that those guys are foreigners, that they are from Mali, they are from Chad, they are from Niger, you know. But the fact remains that these guys are Nigerian indigenous, Nigerian Fulani people, that are the ones that are doing all these things. So they have been captured. Now the security in Anambra State, Udogachi, Operation Agone Shemba, and there's some all vigilante, local vigilante, with I think DSS is among them. It's a kind of joint task force, you know. They are now patrolling all the corners of Anambra State, because according to them, they say that they must flush out all the bandits, the Fulani bandits that are disturbing our land.
I the live. When you are in that place, but here now we enter Isseke like this, we'll go flush those bandits, those small bandits, terrorists with the area. I got you are the weber. Get on ever. Stop now, what do you call it? Stop here. I'll go back from motor. Ah, move it. Operation Wi-Fi. Go front, man, they see them. Hide the life, bro. Only you, hide. Don't be shy, so even if you don't get eyes, you go to hear the sound. Go down front, man, go front. Let's go down front. Enter here. Watch. Hey. Hold on there. Hold on there. Flush and go.
Wash,
I know who's scored. Na just this we want. Full squad lah, kaya full squad. Anak berani lah. Go guys, anak move. No man.
so that people can comfortably come home and enjoy this Christmas. So this guy here, Chidera, is one of the will I say commanders of this group. As you can see in this video, there are many moving around Lilu and the Isseke Aziz. Yes, even Uli Aziz as well. They are just moving around those premises. They say that they are going to enter the forest, the bushes. But the real Biafran guys that are doing the needful, that are securing our land, those ones that captured these Fulani herdsmen, those ones are doing the needful. They are upright for what we saw here. So I believe that they all will join hands and work together. If we work together, everything will go perfectly well. Please, let us work together. At least, if not for anything, let there be peace in Igbo land. Kudoshia n'Igbo land, near Igbo land, Kudoshia, ka ihe ọma bataba. Maka ndị Igbo kwuru okwu si n'ebe udo dị ka ihe ọma na-abata. Let there be peace so that good things will start coming in, okay? Yes, so that's what we want in our Biafran land. Let there be peace everywhere. Let's be our brother's keeper. Let's watch for ourselves. Chidera and his team are doing the needful. They are doing the needful at the moment, provided that they did not go to fight the real Biafran Liberation Army in the bush, so that brothers will not end up buying each other. No, we don't want something like that. So Chidera and his team are doing what they're supposed to do, because they need to protect their land against Fulani herdsmen.
Center like this now. Operation Flash Out, Joint Team, ABG, Operation Odogashi, Operation Apple Shemba. Go down from the doctor that show. Go. Clamp up. They drive with it. Slow gear. I know the center like ever direct. Let's go. And I'm a sympathy selling of one of our brothers. That's the guy in the eye, I'm over pilot, the driver like that. Copy that front, copy that front. Let me capture that front.
That are doing kidnapping, claiming to be Biafran Liberation Army, why they are not, because we all know that the Biafran Liberation Army guys, the real ones, they are not into kidnapping. So Biafrans, you can see that the governor of Abia State, Alex Oti, said that he is doing everything humanly possible to make sure that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is being released, that the meeting he held with the president of Nigeria, Tinubu, is for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that after his tenure as governor, that he's not going for any VC, that is any VP, vice president, or anything at all, that he's going to retire. Well, let it be as he said, but the major thing here is that let Mazi Nnamdi Kanu be free, because the freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is really going to stop so many things. If people are claiming that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the one that caused all this insecurity, can they just give him another chance for him to come out and stop the insecurity? If they are claiming that he is the one that brought all this insecurity in our land, yes, allegedly, then let them give him another chance to come out so that he will stop that insecurity, as he has already said that one of his videos in the court, that once he's being released, that insecurity in the southeast will stop instantly. Exactly, that is what it is.
A message from one of you. Is a video by someone, I remember his name, where he was talking about my visit to Sokoto to see Nnamdi Kanu and berating me and saying all sorts of things. In the first place, that is the beauty of democracy. So people should hold their opinion, and we respect people's opinion. And that you hold a different opinion doesn't mean you are right. One of the things he talked about was about my ambition after being governor. And I said it before, I think sometime in October, when we were receiving the representative of the president. And I want to say it again, that by the time I'm done with governorship, I will retire. So I don't have presidential ambition nor vice presidential ambition. I don't. I also don't have senatorial ambition. So when I finished with governorship, I came for a mission. I think if his thesis is based on that assumption, the assumption has collapsed, because he won't see me on the ballot. So, but my children can come, your children can come. So it's also important that we know when to quit. When you have done what you have been asked to do, you clear, give way for other people. We've seen people here, after being governor, you want to be local government chairman. That's not what we are. We are not cut out for those kind of things.
That was the injustice in the administration of criminal justice in Nigeria. I've been talking about it. I didn't get queer. I'm not going to go. I got to pretend you know to me. What I got for one? I said, I got you, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You want to try again? What do you want to get on? Justice will be served. In the case of Mala of Nnamdi Kanu, we're not the Lord. Nina, Nnamdi one day woke. Those are going here. Go my guy, go here. Oh, and this is why you So I will continue to support my brother. I'm the only one who is so wanted to represent his interests. That is why I was also the last person who can court before a may sentence. Here you are in court, people who don't want them. Who don't want them. Marana Muchayelufu. But on Nigeria, Zugua. Who don't Chatanam. Chatezinu. Who don't Tiane. Because he is making the ultimate sacrifice for all of us. He's making the ultimate sacrifice.
One fear. Yeah. Yeah, I'm my busy ha. Nimezi. What do I go to Tawalo? Head of Macau. Some money head of Macau. Sinahike, or the hazy. Or the hazy, easy. The Sinike. I said, maybe when you say what a magic. Yeah. Only I take 100 yato the tail in ate. Because it home, it turn, whoop on turn the tail, because I look how easy. Yes. Because you need a man of work when no because only sit no be, you no be, or I walk. Oh, no, because so under the nateno. You do to go with the magic because all the power is you. He won't tire easy. Thank you. How can a man cannot? Yes, a jaguarin done at you. Yes. Yes. Now. Okonya, winner. I'll tell. Or not, you better not, or not, because all your mechanic of me. 1.5 year, huh? You can't win a bear Sunday. To soup walk. Yeah, when you're going to walk. Yeah. Yeah, I think you will. Yeah. I'll call back. I have a crack. You end up muzzle. And I have a tattoo. And I have a tattoo. When I'm happy, even in it. Yeah. Cabin down. Okay. I'm a Ben, huh? Yes. Zinc and car, zinc, a big kid. Okay. Where am I going? You are. You're gonna go. You're gonna go.
Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Gist TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. Share this video, my fans. Let us interact in our comment section. Share this video. We all love you. Merry Christmas in advance. Bye.